How do beginners start buying stocks? Step-by-step guide. Want to start investing in the stocks but don't know where to begin? I got you. In this video, I'll walk through 7 simple steps to go from zero to owning your first stock without the confusion or stress. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to confidently make your very first investment. Sitting on your money doesn't build wealth, but in the stock market, that's where your money grows. Over time, stocks have outperformed savings accounts, real estate, and even gold. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to multiply. So let's break this down step by step. Step 1, understand what stocks are. A stock is a small piece of ownership in a company. When you buy a share of Apple, you literally own a piece of Apple. If the company grows, so does your investment. Simple, right? Step 2, choose your brokerage account. You need a brokerage account to buy and sell stocks. You can't do that in your traditional bank account. But think of your brokerage account like a bank account, but only for investing. Some great beginner-friendly options are Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, and Webull. Here's what to look for when choosing which brokerage account you want to go with. Low or zero fees, avoid high commission costs. Easy to use interface, especially for mobile investors. And lastly, fractional shares. So you can invest with as little as $1. All you gotta do is pick one, sign up, and connect your bank account. Step 3, set your investment budget. Investing is not gambling. Only invest money you won't need immediately. A rule of thumb is to start with anywhere from $50 to $500. Just enough to learn without risking too much. And remember this, never invest money you can't afford to lose. Step 4, research stocks before buying. Not all stocks are good investments. Here's how to pick wisely. Step 1, look for companies you believe in. Do you use their products? Do they have a strong future? Step 2, check their financials. Look at revenue, profit, and growth. Yahoo Finance is a great tool. And lastly, read the news. Is the company expanding or struggling? Stick with well-known and stable companies at first. Think of what is one of the most popular phones in the world right now. iPhone. Next, what do a lot of people go for when they go searching on the internet? What do they type in that search engine box? Google. Okay. And lastly, when you're too lazy to go to the store and you want to purchase products offline and delivered at your doorstep, more than likely you go to Amazon. See, you're with me. You said that before I could even get it out. So you're on the right track. Step 5, make your first stock purchase. Now here's the fun part. Buying your first stock. And here's how. Open your brokerage account, search for your chosen stock. Example, Apple, you would type in AAPL. If you're looking for Google, you'll type in GOOGL. Or you can simply just go to Google and search what is the ticker symbol, because that's what it's called. It's called a ticker symbol. What's the ticker symbol for Apple? And it's going to give it to you. After that, choose how many shares you want to buy. Note that whatever brokerage account you chose, if a stock costs $150 and you only got $50, you can purchase a fraction of that stock for $50. And then click buy. And just like that, you own a piece of the company. Step 6, think long term and don't panic sell. Stock prices go up and down, that's normal. But beginners often panic when stocks drop. Here's the key. Think long term. Don't check your stocks every day. It's gonna drive you crazy. Hold for at least 5 to 10 years for the best returns. Invest consistently. Don't just buy once and then stop. Step 7, keep learning and level up your strategy. Investing is a skill. The more you learn, the better you'll get. Here's how to keep improving. Read books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Watch finance YouTubers like your boy. And stay updated on stock market news. The goal? Become a confident long-term investor. All right, let's do a quick recap. Number 1, understand stocks. Number 2, open a brokerage account. Number 3, set your budget. Number 4, research before buying. Number 5, make your first purchase. 6, hold long term. And lastly, number 7, never stop learning. And that's it. Now you're ready to start investing. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on beside it so you get a notification anytime I drop a video. And stick around for the next video for more finance and investing tips. See y'all in the next one. Peace.